Hello, hi, I'm Santosh Kasturi. Welcome back again. Photofountain, get trained to capture anything. In this video, I'm going to discuss how to attach the lens to the camera and how to remove the lens from the camera. So let's get started. For every camera body, there will be a mounting index on it. And for the lens also, there will be a mounting index on it. The mounting index color can be vary from camera to camera. It can be a white color, it can be a red color, or it can be a orange color for Sony cameras. When you purchase your camera, there will be a cap for camera body and also for the lens. When you are attaching the lens, make sure these two mounting index must coincide, and then you rotate the lens to the clockwise direction to fix the lens properly. For removing the lens, you need to press and hold the lens release button and then you rotate anti-clockwise, and when it stops, you can remove the lens. This process is for Sony and Canon cameras, and for Nikon cameras it is reverse, and also it might be for other cameras as well, or it will be just like Sony and Canon.